Hi, this is Andrew the Blacksmith coming to you from Bangkok, and my good friend Mark Whiteley has done it again. The YouTube funnel revealed how to drive borrowed traffic from YouTube through a special funnel and make $167 a day on auto. You set up a campaign once and then it brings in constant traffic and sales. It's about to launch, but I'm going to walk you through this, and this is what you're going to be able to get from Mark Whiteley and Cheryl Shinzig. I like that name, Shinzig. Okay, Mark will show you how it's done. We got some very good testimonials. It wasn't until I noticed what my kids were doing, searching on YouTube, before I had a big light bulb moment. Okay, well, this will be launching in 4 days. So, once again, I've put together a fabulous package of bonuses. And when you buy through my link, they will be waiting for you in the members area. And these are the vendor bonuses, the landing page, the audio course, all the resources you will need. Now, so far, if you click the link, you will get to the early bird list page, launching in 103 hours. So here we've hopped over, and now I'm showing you my bonus package. They will expire on the 23rd. Now I've got to tell you that all of my bonuses, they're custom made for the YouTube funnel. They're all special one-time bonuses designed to complement what you're doing in the YouTube funnel. This guide you'll find a step-by-step blueprint for rapid email subscriber growth. Building your brand, that's a very important part of the process. As I'm building my brand on YouTube as Andrew the Blacksmith. That's what you need to do. And there's a picture of me looking very, very serious there. Okay, well, if you like this video, subscribe, possibly hit the like button, maybe leave a comment even. Well, this is Andrew, signing off with a Rickapooty and a Fan Doogly.